Hey STUFRs!
We are on a city trip in Rome, and when you are in Rome, a must visit is the Vatican.
Yes, we will take you to the Vatican Museum, the Sistine Chapel, and of course the St. Peter. And we go all the way up to the dome.
Yes, all the way up there. We've been there. So let's just get going with this video.
So we advise you to start your day with the Vatican Museum in the Sistine Chapel. From the big square, you just go to the right and follow the huge brick wall. And then you'll get to the museum entry.
So we're outside the Vatican Museum and we'll take you along with us. So let's go inside. Make sure to book your tickets in advance online, or otherwise you'll be stuck in this immense queue. Maybe you know, but I love taking baths. And here at the Vatican Museum, they have some gorgeous baths. Look at it. I want to take one home. It's too heavy for the luggage, I think. Just got out of the Sistine Chapel.
I'm underwhelmed.
I've already been there once, and I can tell you as well that I was underwhelmed when I was there the first time.
I had to look for the fingers.
Let's do the fingers. Let's do the fingers. Yeah. Michelangelo fingers, the famous painting. Well, that actually was easy to find because they just put it right in the middle up on the ceiling.
Yeah, but amongst like so many others.
We just filmed a few snippets and we'll show you. So,
Sneaky bastard.
Sistine Chapel, here you go. There, oh, there. There it is. Oh, there it is. So yeah, there you have it. Let us know, are you underwhelmed as well? Because we've seen the whole museum, the whole Vatican Museum, and it's beautiful. You have more of those ceilings with the frescoes and everything. There's
I think
so
I've
much
seen
beauty.
things that were more impressive.
And this is, I think it's just because of the iconic painting by Michelangelo. And of course, if you think about how they built the chapel or how they decorated it, it's crazy back in the day, of course. But yeah, but you'll have to see it for yourself and let us know if
You
you've
just
been.
have to look around here. That's also gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. So, but now we're off to the St. Peter's, so we'll see you there. So forget what Tim said earlier in the video, because he advised you to go to the museum first and then do the St. Peter.
He told me to say that.
Because now that we came out of the museum and we have the queue, let me show you the queue. It goes all the way from here, from where we are, all the way that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way. And there you enter the St. Peter. So maybe go here first and get your tickets online for the museum, so that you got them and you don't have to go into the queue there. So go into the St. Peter first and then do the museum. Of course, you can get your tickets for the St. Peter online as well. And then you have a certain time frame that you can go in, but then you have to pay to enter, because normally if you stand in this queue, it's for free, and that's what we are doing now. So we'll see how long it takes us. It does move along, as you've noticed. Since I've been filming, we've been moving along. So we'll keep you posted. So when you are at the entrance of the church, of the Basilica, then you can either choose to go left inside the Basilica or go right to the dome. And that is what you want to do.
And then you need tickets.
But it's only an €8 ticket, or you can get
pay 10 euros and you can take the elevator, but that's only for not even half of the stairs, so you still have to walk.
Yeah.
So you can just go walk.
But believe us, this is something that you want to do. Walk all the way up to the dome. And you'll have a beautiful view over the whole St. Peter's Square and over Rome. So get your tickets. We made it. Almost 600 steps. Some were very crooked, small.
Very crazy.
You had to bend like this.
Small and
But the view is amazing, and we'll show you, of course. So a reaction How was it?
So many stairs. But it was really nice, really beautiful. You have a gorgeous view of the city. Yeah, this church is amazing. It's so huge. Is it the biggest church in the world? I think so.
And look, we were just up there. That's why we were all the way there. And we walked around and then we climbed the whole thing all the way to the top. Can we see the top? Have to walk a little bit. There. All the way up there. And that little thing, that's why we... We had to confess all our sins, of course.
Apparently for stamp collectors it's very special to get a stamp from the Vatican, because the Vatican is the smallest city with its own post office and they have their own stamps as well. Thanks for watching and ciao!
Ciao tutti! We hope you liked the Vatican video and we hope that we gave you some awesome tips for when you visit here. And let us know in the description down below what is your favorite part of the Vatican or your favorite part of Rome. See you again very soon!
Yes!
Bye bye!
Bye!